This is the portable typewriter. It is in a case. It is not an electric typewriter. I think you have to do all of the work yourselves. Keyboard is similar to the keyboard on the computer. Now we just call them keyboards. When you hit a letter on this, then a little thing flies up and snaps the paper and puts the mark on it. You have to throw this lever to get to type on the next line. You can actually stick the paper in your pocket and carry it and then pull it out whenever you want it. And you don't have to worry if the battery ran down or if you're not getting reception. You know, a piece of paper sticks around, and it seems to me people lose their messages that are on the computers pretty often. They just disappear into the cloud, as I understand it.